Ever stepped into bright sunlight and sneezed? You're not alone. This happens to about 18 to 35 of people. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, or HU syndrome. Here's the kicker. This isn't an allergy or a quirk, it's a genetic trait. When intense light stimulates your optic nerve, the signal can spill over to the nearby trigeminal nerve, which controls facial sensations, including those in your nose. This cross-wiring tricks your brain into thinking your nose is irritated, triggering a sneeze. So, next time you're feeling congested, a quick step into the sunlight might just clear your sinuses naturally.